I'll guide you through adding funds to your Venmo account using bank accounts or debit cards, setting up auto reloads, and utilizing cash or check features safely. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. Before getting into the steps, there is an important detail many users overlook. If your Venmo balance is zero, Venmo will automatically cover the exact transaction amount by pulling funds directly from your linked bank account, debit card, or credit card. To manually transfer funds into your Venmo balance from a linked payment method, open the Venmo app and tap the Me tab in the bottom right corner. Tap Add Money or Manage Balance. Select from a bank or debit card. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Choose your funding source and tap Add. If you choose debit card, funds land in your Venmo balance instantly without extra fees. If you choose bank account or ACH, the transfers are free but typically take 3 to 5 business days to arrive in your balance. If you want to ensure your Venmo balance never runs out, here's how to set up auto reload and scheduled transfers. Go to the Me tab and tap Add Money. Select Auto Reload. Set a minimum balance trigger, e.g., whenever your balance falls below $10, and choose the reload amount to automatically pull from your linked bank or card. You can also deposit funds directly into your Venmo balance without using an external bank transfer. Go to the Me tab. Select Add Money. Tap Cash a Check. Snap photos of the front and back of your check. You can receive funds in minutes for a fee, 2% for payroll or government checks or 5% for other checks, with a $6 minimum fee, or select the free option to receive funds in 10 days. Venmo enforces rolling weekly limits on how much money you can add to your balance. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.